You understand English, but you can't say it. I know. The words are all there. They just won't come out. And here's the thing, nobody ever tells you about that silence. You're not slow. You just never said it out loud. So today that changes. Right here, alone, at home, nobody's around, nobody's judging, just you and me. Someone asks a simple question. So, how was your day? And your mind goes blank. Even though your day was full, it's a strange feeling, isn't it? So much happened, and nothing comes out. It's not that you don't have things to say. You have a whole day of them. The problem was never you. It was that no one ever let you practice out loud. By the end of today, you'll answer that question without freezing. Not in perfect English, in real English, your English. Let me show you what I mean. Say this with me right now. Oh man, yesterday was crazy. Oh man, yesterday was crazy. That's it. That's a real answer. You just gave it. 15 seconds in, alone in your room, and you spoke. I'm Mike, and this is how the flow starts. Hear it. Say it back. Here's a promise before we go further, so you stay with me. There's one small word near the end that changes everything. It turns a flat, boring answer into a story people lean in for. I'll give it to you, but you'll need the rest first, so stay close. Here's how today works. No grammar, no tests. Just your mouth. 10 phrases for talking about your day plus a few real bonuses. Then one true story from a real learner so you hear it all connect. And trust me, her story has a turn you won't see coming. Stay for it. Then your turn, alone, out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Most days feel like a lot. Start there. Just name the feeling first. Oh man, yesterday was busy. Oh man, yesterday was busy. Now change that last word to your truth. Crazy, great, long. Oh man, yesterday was great. Good. One phrase and your whole day suddenly has a color. Now, what did you actually do? Here's the most natural way. I ended up working all day. I ended up working all day. Ended up means it wasn't the plan. It just happened that way. Natives use this constantly. It sounds relaxed, not rehearsed. Try it with your own day now. Say what you really ended up doing. I ended up cleaning all day. Maybe your day was quieter. That's fine. Quiet days are real days too. I ended up resting all day. No day is too small to talk about. Yours matters. Say it out loud. Sometimes the best part of a day is a surprise. Say this one. I ran into an old friend, out of nowhere. I ran into an old friend, out of nowhere. Ran into means you met them by accident. No plan, just luck. You can run into anyone. An old teacher, a neighbor, a face from years ago. I ran into my old teacher, out of nowhere. Feel that little lift in your voice on out of nowhere. And sometimes the day surprises you in a much bigger way. I couldn't believe it when she called. I couldn't believe it when she called. This is how you add drama. A little shock, a little story. Say it slower this time, like it truly surprised you. I couldn't believe it when she called. Good. You're not listing facts anymore, you're telling a story, and you can point it at anything that surprised you. Good news, bad news. I couldn't believe it when it started to rain. Same phrase, brand new day. That's the power of learning it once. Now a phrase for the days that almost went wrong. I almost missed the bus this morning. I almost missed the bus this morning. Almost is powerful. It means it nearly happened but didn't. Everyone has an almost story, and now you can tell yours. Some days just stretch on forever. Here's how you say that. It was such a long day. It was such a long day. Such a makes it bigger. Not just long. Such a long day. Let the tiredness live in your voice. It was such a long day. You know that feeling. The kind of tired that sits in your shoulders. Now you have the words for it. That's a small kind of freedom. But not every long day is a bad one. Here's the warm one. We had so much fun, actually. We had so much fun, actually. That actually is doing quiet magic. It means even I'm surprised. Say it with a small smile. We had so much fun, actually. Late nights happen. Here's how you tell someone about yours. I was up until midnight last night. I was up until midnight last night. Now change the time to yours. Up until 1. Up until 2. I was up until 1 last night. Okay, pause the video right here. Please don't skip this part. Think of one real thing that happened to you yesterday. Just one. Now say it out loud in English. I'll wait. Your mouth remembers what your ears forget. That's not a guess. Then comment it below. Start with yesterday I and finish it. Not for the number, because it means the words left your mouth. And here's something real. When you write it, you own it a little more. Tomorrow, that same sentence comes out faster. That's how this works. Now, here's that word I promised you. The one that changes everything. It's the word that turns a plain fact into a feeling people remember. That word is actually. You already said it once today. Feel it again. We had so much fun, actually. It says, this surprised even me. That one tiny word makes people lean in. Now it's yours. Keep it close. Let me show you the whole thing now with one real person. This is Anna. Yesterday, Anna had the kind of day you don't forget. She woke up late. She almost missed her bus. She ran the whole way. and then, out of nowhere, something happened that changed her evening. I'm going to show you how she tells it. Watch how simple it stays. Oh man, yesterday was crazy. See how she opens. One phrase, and you already want to know more. I almost missed the bus this morning. The story builds a small problem, and you're leaning in now. I ran into an old friend out of nowhere. There it is, the surprise. This is the heart of her whole story. I couldn't believe it when she called me that night. Here's the part Anna still smiles about. That old friend she ran into? They hadn't spoken in 10 years. 10 years, gone in one hello. And that night, the friend called and said, let's not wait 10 more. Anna told me all of this. In English. Slowly, simply, with real feeling. 4 phrases. One real day. A beginning, a middle, and a turn. That's not a grammar exercise. That's a person telling her life. And the beautiful part? She wasn't fluent. She just wasn't frozen anymore. And every single phrase she used you already have. Right now, today. Remember that blank mind from the start of this video? Look at you now. You have a whole day's worth of words. That's the difference. Now here are 2 bonus lines for the days that don't go as planned. This first one is for when you forget something important. I totally forgot about the meeting. Totally forgot is honest and human. Everyone forgets. Say it kindly. You can totally forget anything. A name, a meeting, someone's birthday. I totally forgot to call my mom. No shame in it. Say it lightly and people just smile and understand. And this last one is for the days you wish had gone differently. I wish I had called her back. I wish I had is how you talk about a small regret. Gently. It means it didn't happen and a part of you is sad it didn't. This one feels big, I know, but you just said it. So it's yours now. I wish I had slept more. See? Same shape, new words. That's all English ever really is. Let's keep 3 phrases alive from earlier this week, too. From day 12, when a friend invited you out for coffee, I'm down for that. From day 2, the phrase that just came right back today. I ended up staying home. And from day 7, that gentle little honesty starter. To be honest, I was exhausted. Still there, still yours. Good. See how they all fit together now? That's the quiet magic of this. Every day, one more piece clicks in. You're not memorizing a list, you're building a voice, your voice. Now let's hear the full set once, just listening. Let it wash over you. Don't repeat yet. Just listen. Let your ear catch the natural rhythm. This is how natives really sound, relaxed, connected. One line flowing in. Oh man, yesterday was crazy. I ended up working all day. I ran into an old friend out of nowhere. I couldn't believe it when she called. I almost missed the bus. It was such a long day. We had so much fun, actually. I was up until midnight last night and I totally forgot about the meeting. I wish I had called her back. Now slower one more time with me. Make every line your own. Say your feeling. Oh man, yesterday was great. Say what you did. I ended up resting all day. Say your surprise. I ran into my neighbor out of nowhere. Say the warm one. We had so much fun, actually. Your turn now, for real. Your day, your words, your English. Here's your task, and it starts the moment you close this video. Tonight, tell someone about your day. Out loud, in English, no one around. Tell the mirror, tell your phone, tell me. It will feel strange the first time. Do it anyway. Strange is normal. The second time, a little less strange. By the fifth, it's just you talking. The point isn't perfect. The point is that you said it out loud. Comment below. Yesterday, and finish it with your real day. 13 days. A whole life of everyday English, and it's already yours. Think back to day 1. The nervous person who couldn't say a full sentence. Look how far that person has come. That person is you. Really it is. Somewhere tonight, someone tells their day in English for the first time. Their hands might shake a little. Their voice might too. That's okay. Tomorrow, that someone is you, and it won't feel like the first time. Tomorrow is day 14, your week 2 challenge, and you're ready for it. Subscribe now so tomorrow finds you ready, not the other way around. See you tomorrow. Day 13, done.